Question number 7. The efficiency of an electric motor is 20%. What is 20%? 20% is nothing but 0.2. Okay. And when lifting a body of 500 joules of energy, are wasted. Okay, so you have wasted 500 joules of energy, which means what is the useful work done by the motor? Let us consider E is the total energy which you have spent in lifting the object, which is your input energy. So therefore, the output energy E0 will be E minus 500. And what is E here? E is nothing but your input energy. So what is efficiency? Efficiency is you divide this by this, output by input, which would now be equal to how much? 0.2. Now let us simplify this. So which means this is I'll write this E here. So I can now write this as E by E minus 500 divided by E is equal to 0.2, which means it should now be equal to 1 minus 500 by E is equal to 0.2. Okay. Now when I simplify this, what do I get here? 1 minus 0.2 is equal to 500 divided by E. I push this one to the other side. So when I do this, I get 0.8 is equal to 500 divided by E, or E should be equal to 500 divided by 0.8. How much will this be? This should be, if I use my calculator, this is my calculator here, calculator is here. Okay, so this should be 500 divided by 0.8, 0.8, which should be 625 unit is joules. Now what is 625 here? The total energy. But what is in asked? Useful work done. Okay, so useful work done, see, 625 is the total energy, of which 500 is already been lost. What is the useful energy? Useful work done is E output is equal to 625 minus 500, which should now be equal to 125 joules. So the answer is B over here. Okay, don't mark it as 625.